on, Trey. I can do way better.
You got the feel. Oh, that's two. One. You can make
Don't mess with the employee of the month.
What's that, Plank? You want to feel too? Okay.
It's been touched. Pull! Pull! Dr. Toucher, I presume? Go team. What?
I also said that I can't use an idea I haven't heard. Okay. Well, here's my idea. I think that... Sorry, didn't hear a word. But... Policers! No!
My kingdom! I mourn for my king.
Just try and back away. Slowly and quietly. Shh! Sarge! Look out!
Whoa! Sleep! Quick!
Oh, you got the feel. Oh, that's two. One. You can make
Time's up, everyone. Put down your pencils.
In the last 2 years, Verizon only added LTE coverage for 5 million people. T-Mobile, they added 100 million.
Verizon didn't tell you that, did they? T-Mobile doubled its LTE coverage in the last year, now reaching nearly everyone Verizon does. Plus, our extended range LTE goes twice as far and is 4 times better in buildings than before. And T-Mobile is America's fastest 4G LTE network. Switch today.
Plus a baseball bat and a program, pom-poms, plush toys, foam finger, radio, TV, snare drum, bass drum, barbecue grill, and of course the fans' most loyal companion, the air horn.